Morning, my people. Right now is 8:45. I want to prepare some peanuts, groundnuts. We call them groundnuts, njugu. I removed them from their shell yesterday at night. I will show you the clip how I remove them. Now they are clean. Look. The groundnuts. I don't know if you can see them. The groundnuts, I want to prepare them to make them. It's just frying, but dry frying without oil. Yes, I'm making them 40. Then it's just organic from the farm. I'm making them 40. After that, maybe I will go with you somewhere. Not really. It's just I will go with you to the shop, to the M-Pesa shop, to deposit some cash, to deposit some money on my M-Pesa. Yes, we use M-Pesa in Kenya. So maybe I will go with you and deposit some amount of money. Not much. It's like less than it's $1 with some cents. Yes, just $1 with some cents. In Kenyan shillings, it's like 150. Yes, I will use that as my credit. We call it credit recharge card. I think many call it recharge card. So let's make the groundnuts. I've already lit the charcoal stove. So let me make the groundnuts. Then let's see what holds ahead of us. I did this at night, making work easier in the morning, so that in the morning I just fry them. Not much work. Yeah. Don't mind the old container in this house is incomplete, so we have to manage everything the way it is in here. Yeah. I will be using this one to turn them over and over again. You turn them over and over again. You stir. Just stir like this. In order for them not to burn, just stir them over and over again. Like that. Let's wait for the pan to catch some fire, to be hot. Yes, and when making these groundnuts, the way I'm making them, don't make sure your heat is not much. When the heat is much, they will burn and they are not ready yet. So the heat must be low. Make them with a low heat. Yes. So they turn out to be good. So you just stirring them like this. If there will be another step, I will let you know. So we will stir them just like this. Then they will start to pop. They have that popping sound. Yes, when they start to pop, they are getting heat. And that way is when they are getting ready. So unpacking, just not them. Then if there will be another step, we will need to know. I will show you, because some videos are just boring. So at least we look for way for them not to be boring. I have some shopping here, guys. I decided to do the unpacking with you. It's not much, but it's enough for us. Biscuits, Nuvita. I already opened them. Washing powder, Ariel. We use this brand. We have the toilet peppers, baby oil. It came with an offer. Look. Vaseline, intensive care body lotion, dry skin repair. This is a lotion. I think they are just advertising it. The soap. It comes in 3 packs. The pack carries 3 of them. We have sugar. We use this brown Kissy at supermarket. I told you I stay in Kissy. Another one. Rico cubes. I love them so much. These beef ones. They also have the chicken ones. Green grams. You see, 1 kg. Packed with love. Why are you not to buy this? I like baking. So, this is 2 kg down here. Yeah, 2 of them. Then we have cooking oil. This one. Yeah, this is cooking oil. And salt. We have salt. Then this is the brand of rice we use. Called. This one is from Tanzania, Mbeya rice. Najivunia Utanzania. This is the rice from Tanzania. I love this brand. So bye bye, guys. We did not go to the M-Pesa, but at least we got some shopping here. Bye. This is the reason even I did not go. I did not make it to the M-Pesa, guys. So we will close our video from here. Goodbye.